Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn that how can we use in keyword in dictionary data structure, and that by using in keyword how can we check a key exists or not in our dictionary, and then we will check the value of the specific key by using in keyword. Alright, now and then we will be applying looping in our dictionaries data structure, and then we will check the values of all the keys in the dictionary. So the method we will apply to check the values in our dictionary will change the types of our data structure. So we will discuss this, and then at last we will discuss the item method, that what is the item method and why we use it. So these all the things we are going to learn in this video, so please stick to me at the end of this video. All right, now let's get started. So user, I am taking user the dictionary as an example. All right, now so there are only two elements of this dictionary. So the name of the user, and then the age. So 21. So there are two elements in the dictionary. So first we have in keyword we will the key exists or not. So we are going to apply if condition here. If in keyword, sorry, we have to write here key. So the key we have is name. So this is the key and this is the value as we discussed in previous videos. So we are in keyword and the name of the dictionary is user. So if name is present in user, then we can print it's present. All right, and else we can print it's not present, right? So if I run this program, you can see it is present because name is present in our dictionary. So if I just write here, suppose roll number, so if I again run this program, you can see here roll number is not present in our dictionary. It will print it is not present. All right, now so we can so instead of key, I want to check direct the value, that the value is present or not. So I can check the value by using dot values method. So by using this method, I can directly write here the value of any specific key. Suppose I want to 21. So 21 is an integer, so I have to write directly here. So I write directly the value. So if I again run this program, you can see here, sorry, I have to write here this, and then if I again run this program, you can see here the values is being identified that it is present at the second item of the dictionary. So it is present. So we can also check by either key of the dictionary or values of the dictionary. All right, now we are going to apply looping on our data structure. For this, I am going to create a bigger dictionary. Now suppose this contains 4 elements: name, age, and movies. So if we want to write more than one item in a single element of the dictionary, so we use this list. We have discussed also in previous videos. So suppose X, Y, Z. All right, and then we have favorite games. Now GTA, suppose, and Angry Birds. So now there are 4 elements including key and value of each key in our dictionary. So I can directly apply loop here. You can see in user info. So I can directly print. So if I only print in user, so I is the iteration, right? And then if I print iteration in user info, you can see there are invalid characters, invalid syntax here. Yes, sorry, I have to put comma at the end of each element. And then if I run this program, you can see only the keys are printing here, not the values. So what we can do for that? So if I want to print the values, so I have to write dot values. So as I apply dot values, it will print the values, only the values of each key. You can see only the values are printing here. So now we have the change, we check the values of each key, and then we have the types of data structure. So as you can see here, I am applying dot values method everywhere. So the problem of this method is that it changed the data structure, type of the data structure. So how can we know that? So if I give a variable and store user values, user info dot values to a, and then check the type of print type of a. So if I check that value type of a, which stores this method, all right, and then if I again run this program, so first I have to comment this loop. So first I have to comment this loop, and then I can directly want to check this type, this method's type. So if I again run this program, you can see the class we have is dictionaries values. Dictionary values is the built-in class we have in Python. All right, now, so the same as we have dictionary values, we have dictionary keys also. So if I write here directly dictionaries keys and again run this program, you can see here the type has also changed. We have dictionary keys class, we have dictionary keys, right? Now, so we have another method. So instead of using this user info dot values, this is, instead of writing it, we can directly print the values. So if as we discussed earlier that if we want to print the values of each key, we have to use dot values method. So instead of using dot values method, I can use as indexing. I can use indexing here. So what I can use, I put iteration at the indexing, and then if I run this program, you can see values are appearing at the output as we didn't use any dot values method. All right, now we have discussed data structures. We have also discussed that how can the methods dot values and dot keys method changes our data structure. Now we have item method. Now in item method, it gives the elements in tuple. So what if I use, instead of using it, I directly use dot items. So this is the most important method we have if we want to print both keys and dictionaries, right? So if I directly user info items and directly put I here, right? I directly put I and again run this program, you can see here each element in our dictionaries is appearing but in tuple data structure. You can see here it is in parenthesis, the under the anything under the parenthesis we have in tuple data structure, right? So but it is showing us all keys and values of our dictionary. You can see here the whole elements and the all elements are appearing at the output. So we can use atom method instead of loops. So if I don't want to apply loops, so if I comment this code and I don't want to apply loops and I want to print the whole dictionary, so how can I do this? So I just have to store this method in user info and dot atoms. All right, so I store this method in, I apply this method in user info dictionary and store it in variable a, and then I can directly print a. So first before printing it, I want to check the type of, I also want to check the type. All right, so I print type of a. So if I again run this program, you can see here their class is dictionaries items. So it is also the built-in class data structure we have in Python, which is called dictionaries items. So as you can see here, the whole dictionary is appearing in a single line. All right, so first each element is in tuple and then the whole dictionary is in list. You can see here the whole dictionary we have in list. All right, and then the whole list is covered in tuple. So this is how the atoms methods work. So why this method is so important? So to understand this, let's consider another thing. So if I can apply, so for suppose I have key value in user info dot atoms. All right, user info, I am applying dot atoms method by using the for loop. I am using two iteration this time to, so that this all the keys will store in key and all the values of the key will store in values. All right, now so I am to print it, I can use string formatting. So this will show you the importance of atoms method. All right, now I can say that key is, I can use parenthesis, key, and the value is, under the parenthesis I can write the variable value, right? So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here it is identifying that the key is name and the value is my name. All right, it is, so by using item method we can see that we can explain our program. Sorry, we have to write here key. All right, now our program is more explaining, so the if the third person see the program, we can see it is saying that key is this is the key and this is the value, and this is the key, this is the value. All right, our program is self-explanatory, so it can speak for itself. So I hope that's all about today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Please share these videos to your family and friends who wants to understand these methods. Thank you very much.